Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining. Today, we're going to talk about establishing a robust Python project baseline, and specifically, why tools like UV, ruff, and tighty are becoming mandatory for modern development. Our goal is to build a pragmatic Python tooling baseline that enables fast, safe projects. This approach is designed for teams who prioritize reproducible setups, rapid feedback cycles, and safer changes, all while ensuring that code reviews focus on logic and architecture, not endless debates about tooling choices. As you can see on the right, these three tools address critical aspects of project health. V.UV provides reproducible environments, ensuring consistency across all development and deployment stages. Ruff, represented here by the R, offers incredibly fast formatting and linting, helping maintain code quality and style standards effortlessly. And tighty brings visible type contracts, enhancing code readability, maintainability, and catching potential errors early in the development process. Together, these tools form a powerful foundation, streamlining development workflows and fostering a more efficient and reliable coding experience. The baseline promise we're making simplifies the Python development workflow significantly by integrating key tools. We're talking about three pillars here, starting with UV, pronounced UV, which acts as a singular, comprehensive tool for managing Python versions, virtual environments, dependencies, lock files, and even scripts. This consolidation reduces complexity and overhead. Next, we have ruff, a formatter and linter engineered for speed. It's designed to be run constantly throughout your development cycle, not just as a gate in continuous integration, providing immediate feedback. And finally, there's tie, which provides robust static type checks. These are crucial for catching integration bugs early, long before they ever reach runtime, saving countless hours in debugging. When we bring these tools together, the combined result is a truly reproducible setup, instant style feedback that helps maintain code quality, and the ability to perform much safer refactors. This translates into tangible benefits across different phases of development. For setup, it means that with just one command, a new checkout is ready to go, configured correctly and consistently. During review, the subjective debates around formatting and linting largely disappear because these processes are automated and consistently applied. And finally, when making changes, the integrated type system actively exposes contracts within your code, allowing you to catch potential issues and ensure correctness before anything even approaches a production environment.
This slide addresses a crucial question: why we advocate for mandatory practices over optional ones. When tools and practices are optional, so is the quality they deliver. If teams can easily skip a baseline, each project risks developing its own unique failure mode, making common issues harder to diagnose and address across the board. Our goal is for the initial 5 minutes of interaction with any project, whether it's installing dependencies, syncing code, running linters, type checks, or tests, to be identical, consistent, and frictionless. This should never require local archaeology to figure out project-specific setup quirks. The cost of inconsistency is high, and it compounds over time. Onboarding new team members, maintaining continuous integration pipelines, conducting code reviews, and managing releases all become significantly more expensive and prone to error when teams operate with tool drift and varying standards. Automation plays a key role here. By automating and mandating certain quality checks and processes, we shift discussions from subjective taste debates about preferred styles or methods to objective, enforceable standards that are applied consistently by command rather than individual preference. Ultimately, implementing mandates transforms what might start as a team's preferred way of working into a predictable, repeatable project behavior, ensuring a higher and more consistent quality baseline for everyone.
Making setup boring with UV is about embracing efficiency and predictability in our Python projects. We're moving towards a world where environment management isn't a headache, but a seamless, fast process. Specifically, UV excels at quickly creating and managing your project environments. It then meticulously locks your dependencies, ensuring every install is repeatable and consistent, eradicating those "it works on my machine" moments. Furthermore, it streamlines your workflow by allowing you to run commands directly within your project's isolated environment, simplifying scripts and reducing potential conflicts. This integrated approach significantly reduces the need to juggle multiple tools like pip, venv, pyenv, or poetry, minimizing what we call tooling drift. On the right, you can see a typical UV workflow in action. From installing a specific Python version to initializing a project, adding core and development dependencies like FastAPI, Pydantic, PyTest, and ruff, and finally, executing your tests. It's a straightforward, sequential process. Ultimately, UV champions the philosophy that the boring path is the scalable path. This means a consistent cycle of simply installing, syncing, running, and repeating, leading to robust and maintainable development practices. UV gives every contributor the same deterministic path to setting up their development environment. This PyProject.toml example illustrates how simple it is to declare both core project requirements, such as a minimum Python version, and production dependencies like FastAPI and Pydantic, alongside specific development-only tools like PyTest, ruff, and typey. This setup is powerful because, as highlighted, a generated log file combined with a straightforward UV sync command transforms the often complex and error-prone processes of onboarding new team members and configuring continuous integration into a fully deterministic and reliable step, eliminating guesswork and inconsistencies. Ruff provides a singular, fast gate for managing code style and detecting defects. It consolidates and significantly speeds up the often slow and cumbersome stacks of multiple formatters and linters, streamlining your development workflow. As demonstrated by commands like uv-run ruff format and uv-run ruff check-fix, Ruff effectively finds unused imports, identifies unsafe coding patterns, and corrects style drift automatically. This powerful auto-fixing capability handles the tedious routine adjustments before code even reaches review, freeing up valuable time. Ultimately, Ruff transforms code formatting from a subjective conversation into a deterministic command, ensuring consistency across your codebase. This allows your team to dedicate precious review time to discussions about design and behavior, rather than getting bogged down in trivial matters like import order. One of Ruff's key strengths is its ability to identify and flag real bugs significantly earlier, preventing them from escalating. Take, for instance, this Python code snippet for load config. The intention is to check if a file path exists before attempting to read its content. However, on the line if not filepath.exists, there's a subtle but critical error. Exists is actually a method of the path object, not a simple attribute, so it should be invoked as filepath.exists rather than being accessed as a property. This type of oversight, a suspicious callable misuse, is exactly what Ruff excels at catching. As detailed in the Review Saved panel, Ruff effectively flags these kinds of logical errors, along with undefined names, unused imports, and other common issues that typically distract during a manual code review. By automatically identifying these problems, Ruff saves valuable developer time, streamlines the review process, and ensures a higher quality codebase from the very beginning. Types serve as explicit contracts for our code, making these agreements visible and verifiable. This begins with their capacity to check function boundaries and data flow, ensuring that inputs and outputs conform to expectations. Crucially, types protect refactors across files. If a function's signature changes, the type system will flag all call sites that no longer match, preventing subtle bugs introduced during large-scale code modifications. Moreover, types document intent without the need for extensive prose comments. A well-defined type signature communicates the purpose and structure of data. It's vital to understand that types complement tests. They verify the structural correctness and data consistency, but do not replace the need for tests to validate actual behavior. Observe the Python example. We define total sense to accept a list of int and return an int. We then correctly invoke it with 1299-2500, assigning the integer result to subtotal. However, when we attempt to assign subtotal, which is an int, to label, which is explicitly typed as a string, the type checker immediately raises a type error. This demonstrates how types make incorrect wiring visible before any runtime paths are ever exercised, catching integration issues early in the development process. This slide outlines a practical, mandatory workflow designed for consistency across development stages. Our recommended approach uses UV as the orchestrator for these steps, starting with UV sync to ensure dependencies are up to date. We then enforce code quality through uv-run ruff format dot to auto-format, followed by uv-run ruff check dot for linting. Type checking is handled with uv-run tycheck, and finally, unit and integration tests are executed via uv-run pytest. The mandate for this workflow is clear. These commands should be run locally by developers, optionally integrated into pre-commit hooks, and critically, always executed in the continuous integration pipeline before any merge. This ensures the same single command path is followed, whether you're working on your local machine, automatically checking code before committing, or running the final validation in CI.
When introducing these practices, we often encounter a few common objections. Let's tackle them head-on. Is it too strict? The answer is to start small and then gradually tighten the requirements. Mandatory does not imply a maximal implementation on day one. Another concern is that it's too new. To mitigate this, we pin versions of tools and libraries and make upgrade pull requests explicit, giving us control. Some worry that types will slow us down. However, unclear contracts are what truly impede progress later on. We recommend annotating boundaries first to gain clarity. Finally, if CI already tests, why bother? While CI tests check specific examples, linting and type checking provide a broader safety net, catching entire classes of potential mistakes. The key takeaway is to adopt these practices progressively, but make the established baseline non-negotiable for consistent quality. The adoption checklist provides a clear 4-step process for integrating new projects. First, under Declare, ensure requires Python and all dependencies are explicitly added, along with a dedicated dev dependency group within your pyproject.toml file. Moving to lock, the second step involves committing the generated lock file and clearly documenting UV sync as the standard setup path for the project. Our third step, Gate, focuses on integrating critical quality checks into your continuous integration pipeline, specifically adding ruff format, ruff check, tie check, and all relevant tests. Finally, Prevent outlines our strategy for maintaining quality. Fix all existing findings once, then implement measures to prevent any regressions from occurring in the future. Ultimately, our objective is to establish one consistent baseline, one robust CI gate, and one clearly documented path for every single project. The core takeaway from this presentation is to make the reliable path the default path. Mandatory tooling should not be viewed as bureaucracy. Rather, it is the most cost-effective method to enhance trust, streamline reviews, simplify onboarding, and facilitate changes across all Python projects. We've introduced 3 key tools to achieve this: UV for consistent environments, ruff to ensure code quality, and tie for robust contracts. Combined, UV plus ruff plus tie provides a reproducible setup, delivers fast feedback, and enables safer changes for your development workflow.